Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the future. My name is Valdemar da Costa. I'm the voice of the channel Valdo Engineer, and today we are here to discuss about the 10 best technologies of the future. Okay, if you are interested in the subject, please start subscribing, start liking the video, and if you want to help me a lot, please share with your friends and start comment what you think about the subject. Do you think it will be good, will be interesting? Tell me what you think about it. So without further ado, let's get started. What you see here is one of the first technologies, the technology that helped me to create all the visuals for the video. We are talking about the number one. We are talking about AI, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence came a few years ago, and it came to stay and to sustain for years and many years with us. AI is helping us to be more effective. It's helping us to be more productive. It's helping us to better analyze the data. AI have a tremendous capability to do analytical for the data, and there is a lot of scientific studies that help use AI, the analytical data analysis, to help them to create advanced technology that you are seeing here in the future. So AI came to stay. We'll get along with AI. So if you want to get connected to the future, start using AI. So number two that you are seeing there, houses underwater. So we are talking about living, instead of living in land, we are building houses underwater. So we're building houses underwater, building houses in the rivers, building houses in lagoons, building houses in the oceans, in the on the seas. So you are building houses everywhere that you are not used to build houses. So that is the technology that is in the development. They're starting with small suites, so small suites with some bedrooms and all of that. And maybe in the future we have entire cities built within water. And you start thinking, instead of buying a land, you start buying a water for you to build a house. So that is the second technology. Third one, man, this is the future. It's another one that came to stay. The drones. The drone technology is helping us a lot. It's helping us in agriculture. It's helping us in the army. It's helping us in the medicine. It's helping us everywhere. The drones is helping us on the environmental. So it's a lot of help that the drones are giving to us. We see a lot of technology that the drones are helping us to do irrigation. The drones is also helping us to distribute food, to distribute medicines. It's helping us to monitor and to inspect flaring tips, chimneys, to monitoring the air pollution, you name it. So the drones came to stay. Another technology that came to stay is the 3D printing. With 3D printing, you can print toys, you can print your shoes, you can print spare parts for your car, and you can print houses. So we're talking about printing houses with 3D printing. So 3D printing is so advanced that now we can do many things with 3D printing. We're talking about all type of goods that you can print with 3D, and this came to stay also. There is another video on the channel that talks about the 3D printing of houses. It's a very fun one with very good views. It's just for you to see the beauty of the 3D printing in houses. It's a short that I create about 3D printing of houses. I think you're gonna love it. Check on my shorts. So the next technology is flying cars. This dream I was seeing these movies with the flying car, and now it's coming to reality. There's a lot of initiatives all around the world that all the countries want to create the first licensed flying car. So it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. When I'll get my flying car, because I want the flying car either because I don't want to get stuck in the traffic. I want to ride quick to my workplace. I want to ride quick to take my kids and not waiting for the bus. So or waiting on the street with my car to the traffic. So now we go by flying cars. So it's the future. It's getting there, and it's getting sooner than you think. Another one, I'm an environmentalist, I'm an environmental engineer, and I love this one. AI robots helping us to clean the world. Yeah, we're talking about multiple initiatives that the AI is doing to clean the world with robots. We're talking about the sorting of metals and segregating, doing the sorting of segregation of all the waste materials and distributing them to the right place. We are talking about cleaning tanks, cleaning confined space areas with robots. Now you no longer need to be exposed to hazardous pollutants, hazardous chemicals, hazardous vapors. You can put a robot to do this job for you. So yeah, it's a lot of advantage on the AI robots is helping us to clean the world. So kudos for AI on that. Another one is 3D printing again. 3D printing of organs. Yeah, man, we are talking about serious stuff here. We are talking about printing your heart, printing your kidney, printing your lungs. Imagine that, a printed lung. Yeah, so 3D printing is printing everything, and now they are printing organs. They start printing, doing prostheses, doing small stuff, but with the future, they are thinking that they can do a lung or a heart transfer using a 3D printing. And technology is advancing so much. Yeah, so this is great news for the ones that are in the waiting list. Maybe the 3D printing will be a solution for you. So next one, talking about biologic stuff, let's go to microorganisms, bacteria and fungus. For many years, the microorganisms are helping us to clean the world. They clean our sewage, they clean our oil spills. Now they are able to clean our air. Yes, you heard it right. Now our microorganisms are helping us to clean the air. The microorganism could be the solution for climate change. We are talking about the bacterial. They can do carbon sequestration and can take CO2 out of your chimney, take CO2 out of the air and clean the air. And you imagine you generate a biofuel with that. Talking about biofuel, imagine that instead of using a biofuel, instead of using an electric car, instead of using a solar car, instead of using an ethanol car, instead of using petrol and crude oil and gasoline and all of that and diesel, you do a trip on your bicycle and you can work more than 100 miles per hour with your bicycle. We're talking about high-speed bicycle. This is a technology that uses a lot of aerodynamics to build a bicycle that can do more than 100 miles per hour only with the strengths and the muscles of your legs and your body. So we're talking about serious stuff. We're talking about taking away all the combustion system, and you with all this aerodynamic that they will build, you can do a trip in high speed only with the human power, human strength. Imagine that. So kudos for the one that create this technology. Is very sustainable, and I love this sustainability. So another one. Now we're talking about building houses. I talked about in the beginning of building houses underwater. So imagine you want to travel to a city that is underwater, and you cannot do that by car. You need to buy a boat. But now you don't need to do by a boat. You can do by plane boats. I don't know what you call a boat plane or plane note or something on those lines. But it's a boat, is a plane that can navigate underwater. So this is the future. They are building planes that can land in water, can do the takeoff in water. So we are talking about serious stuff and serious technologies that can develop the world in a magnitude that you cannot imagine. That was the content. 10 ideas. If you get here, my compliments. You listen now to the 10 best ideas that gonna revolutionize the world. That is the future that we are seeing the beginning now, and in the next years you'll see more and more coming about this subject. If you like it, please subscribe. Please like the content, like the video. Please comment, please share it, please help me and join my community, because here you get more sustainable, you get the best of the technology of the future, and you'll be greener doing that. You do it technology with environmental mindset, so it's good stuff here. So my name is Valdemar da Costa. I'm the Valde engineer. Thanks for watching. And as you say in Angola, estamos juntos. We are together. Bye bye.